Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching today, and if you are new and love all things home decor, cleaning, organization, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below and join this sweet little YouTube family. Make sure to say hello in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and I'm so happy to have all of you here today. In today's video, I'm giving my master bedroom a much needed makeover. We went ahead and sold all of our furniture and are starting from scratch, so I was really excited to pick everything out and just make our room a place of relaxation. Our room has not been very inviting, and you will see that in the before clip at the end of this video. So that's what we're going to take care of today. And I also wanted to share with you a few hacks. If you've ever struggled to insert your duvet into your duvet cover, keep watching because what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. And I also wanted to share a few tips to create a luxury style bedroom on a budget. So let's go ahead and get started. My first tip for a luxury bedroom on a budget is to press your pillowcases. This is such an easy way to make your bed look and feel crisp and clean, and it truly does make all the difference. My next tip for luxury is to create hospital corners with your sheets. When I think of luxury, I think of a fancy hotel, so that is what I want to achieve here. And I don't know about y'all, but I love to fall into a bed at night with crisp, cold sheets that have been folded perfectly all day long. You can achieve that just by following these few tips, and I'm going to leave a link down below to show you how to properly fold hospital corners. By the way, I found this beautiful beige tufted bed at Ashley Furniture for an amazing price, and I will link that below as well. Here's the part that you are not going to want to miss. I'm going to fold my duvet cover inside out and lay it flat on my bed with the opening facing away from me. The opening is up near the tufted headboard, and I'm going to take the down inserts and lay them on top and line it up perfectly with the duvet cover. Luxury tip number 3 is to use 2 duvet inserts instead of 1. This gives your bed the fluffy look that you see in catalogs. So I bought 2 lightweight duvet inserts so they wouldn't make us hot. You can find these for a very decent price on overstock.com. And once you get those lined up, you're just going to tie down the corners so they won't move around, and then roll these all up like a burrito.
I was worried you broke my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
Now that I have this duvet wrapped up like a burrito, I'm just going to go to one end, and I'm going to take both sides of the duvet cover opening and wrap it around this big long rectangle situation. And then once it's all inside that duvet cover, I'm going to go ahead and button up the duvet cover and kind of fluff it up a little bit, and then you're going to watch me pull this out. Keep watching, this is incredible. Now that my duvet is buttoned up, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff this up to make sure everything inside is straightened out. And then I'm going to flip it over and pull this flap, and I'm just going to pull and pull and pull until I can't anymore, and ta-da, your duvet is ready to go. I think this is probably one of the coolest hacks I have ever seen. And I need to go ahead and give credit where credit is due. I saw this on the Rachel Ray Show, so I'm going to leave a link down below to that clip of that episode so that you can go check it out. But let me know down in the comments below what you think about this. I thought it was pretty darn cool.
But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
I wanted to use these pillows to add in a lot of the texture, so I used a RUFFLE white pillowcase for the Euros to create an airy, rustic vibe, and then a white standard sham with wooden buttons to bring in the wood and the furniture that you haven't seen yet. And then I brought in these velvet pillows to glam it up a little bit, and then the sack material pillow I used in front with the tassels on it to rough everything up a little bit. I threw a cozy beige blanket on top, and voila, we have a rustic glam bed. Now I'm going to move on to bringing in the nightstands, and I actually found these little wood nightstands at Hobby Lobby for 69 bucks a piece, and I was shocked because every nightstand that I've seen was over $200, even at places like Wayfair, so I definitely couldn't pass these up, and I thought they brought in the perfect amount of rustic to this room. This little black dresser to the right is going to be replaced very soon. We actually ordered a brown dresser and it came in, and we just really didn't like the way it looked in this room. It brought in too much brown, and so I put a picture on this screen of the dresser that we purchased. It's a lot more light and airy feeling, and it brings in the perfect amount of rustic farmhouse to this room, so I will give you guys an update when that comes in. Another one of my tips to make your bedroom feel luxurious without spending a fortune is to get these little rectangular mirrors and hang them on either side of your bed. I feel like this gives the room the perfect glam touch, and these mirrors were super inexpensive, and I found them at Home. I felt like this room needed a little bit more glam, so I bought these metallic glass lamps, and I think they gave the room the perfect touch, and I absolutely love them. And also the yellow light bulbs are perfect for this room because when you turn out the lights at night and turn on the lamps, it just makes it feel super cozy. I actually found these lamps on Home Depot's website, and I got both of them for under $100, so I thought that was definitely a steal, and you guys need to check out Home Depot for everything that you need for your home because surprisingly they have a lot of really nice stuff for really decent prices. I found the sweetest little plants to put on both of these nightstands, so you're going to see me do that in just a second. But I also wanted to insert this picture of this Let's Cuddle sign that I ordered from Etsy because that is what we are going to be hanging above the bed, and the wood frame is the same color as our nightstands. It hasn't come in yet, but when it does, I will show you in a future video. And this is the curtain rod that I was talking about. I absolutely love it, and I found it at Bye Bye Baby. I think it was like 30 something bucks, so super inexpensive, and I thought it added the perfect little rustic farmhouse touch to this room. These curtains I actually found online on Amazon, and I was looking for something with texture but not too much color because I like to keep that monochromatic color scheme going on in here. I think that's just a really cozy look, so I'm going to go ahead and hang those up. By the way, my in-laws gave me that beautiful whitewash mirror in the corner over there for my birthday a couple years back, and I feel like it goes beautifully with our new room, and I am so excited about that. And now I'm just going to run a vacuum in this room right quick, and then we will be done. I will update you very soon with this sign above the bed and our new white dresser. And I also want to order a canvas photo of our wedding day to hang above the dresser. But until then, this is what we have going on, and I'm so happy with the results. Will and I are both loving that extra fluffy duvet, and we are thoroughly enjoying this cozy space. We've already talked about how we need to hang a TV on the wall across from our bed because we don't want to leave this room now. I hope y'all enjoyed watching today. I hope you got some good tips for a luxury makeover on a budget. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming videos. I actually have a collab video coming up with a sweet new YouTube friend next week, so you won't want to miss that. I love y'all so much, and I will see you very soon.